Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about SignalR in ASP.NET Core. What is the use cases of SignalR and how we can implement SignalR in ASP.NET Core we will discuss. SignalR is a library that specifies adding a real-time web functionality to the applications. Here the real-time functionality means server can push the updates to the connected client applications very instantly, without requesting from client application. We have a few key features about a SignalR. One is a real-time communication. It will enable instance communication between server and clients. And second one is automatic fallback. If any WebSocket are unavailable, the SignalR will switches to the server side sent events. Next, grouping a messages, allowing a broadcast message to the specific group of clients. Here the clients meaning like client applications. And the scalability, easily we can integrate with the Azure SignalR services. Let's see some real-time example how we can implement SignalR in application. For that I am going to create one web application, ASP.NET Core web app. Let's create a test SignalR. Click on next, create. So once it is created, we have to install a SignalR package in our application from the Nugget. So let's open the Nugget package. I'll search for SignalR, and you can see Microsoft ASP.NET Core.SignalR package. Just click on install. It will get installed in the package in your application. Let's take an example like UI user. We are going to enter username and a message from the UI and click on a submit. So once the user click on a submit, it will accept the username and message and it will display into same page. Let's build that up HTML page first. So for that I am going to create a HTML. So in the index.html I am going to write. I already predefined a HTML code. Just I'll copy paste here. Okay. So now we'll add one class, chart hub. The class name I'll name it as a chart hub. Chart hub. In the SignalR we have a predefined class hub. So let's inherit that hub class into chat hub. So let's import the package, and I will write one method to accept a username message from the user. So public, I'll say as async task send message. So this will accept user comma message. And the logic I am going to write, whatever the user enters user and message, I'll send back to the UI. I'll return to the UI by using the SignalR methods like await. We have clients all dot send async, and I'll say like here I will mention as a receive message comma which user is entered user message. So this method, what it will do, it will accept the user and message from the UI meaning where the send message is consumed. From there it will accept and it will return back to client, all the clients which they are referring a SignalR application. So we have to register SignalR in our application. So in the program.cs or startup.cs I am going to register. First I will do like builder.services.add SignalR, and we declared as a chat hub, so we have to register that class as well. We have to register in the map hub, app.map hub. So this will chat hub, and inside the bracket I am going to define as a pattern. The pattern nothing but is a routing, so I'll say as a chat hub. So whatever you given chat hub in the pattern, so the same should be given in the HTML page. The HTML page will communicate with the chat hub message. So for this class I am going to give a this routing / chat hub routing I am going to define. So because of that, whatever we given here, so it should be matched with which we are communicate from the HTML. So I gave here, and let's go and execute this. I have HTML design predefined HTML. Just you can see here SignalR chat application, enter username and enter a password. What I will go like I will going to enter username and hello chat app. I'll say just click on a submit. It's printing here. So this is a HTML I defined. Now the SignalR concept is whatever you enter the data, it will without pulling from the client, it will update automatically to all connected client apps. How we can test it? We'll make it a duplicate of this tab. I'll take it, I'll parallel take it. So now both are in a different browsers. Let's say like in from this second browser I am going to add a chat app like hello SignalR. Just click on a submit. You can see here hello SignalR, and also here also is printed. Username is Suryan and hello SignalR, the message is printed. Let's change it to hello app. You can see here also printed, here also printed. It's meaning whatever you did, whatever you submitted here, automatically the SignalR will send to connected client apps. This is a collected client app, so it will send. If suppose I am making as a multiple tabs, I'll say like I'll take one more, duplicate, and one more also I'll take. So this is a chat app, let's say 4, this is a 3, this is a 2, and I'll say this is a 1. So from 4 I am going to click. So here you can see, and here also you can see, and the third also you can see. If I click on here, it is updated here, and is updated here, and also it is updated here. So all apps is connected to one SignalR. So like this we can implement the SignalR in our application and we can use it. SignalR is a powerful tool for adding a real-time communication to your application, whether you are building a chat application or a live dashboard or collaborative tools. Mainly the SignalR will use in the chat applications and real-time notifications like stock price and live cricket scores, and also like shared documents and the metrics, analytics data, those kind of scenarios they're going to use in the SignalR library. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.